Do they shrink if you have them for a long time? I've read so many different
Not
things.
really. Sometimes when they get really you don't really have that any hair that was really lost there.
Oh, I don't know. I thought it was like bald.
So you're not at an
spots.
angle. You're more straight on. Thank you.
Hmm.
I don't think you have bald spots there. I mean, there maybe the hair's a little bit thin, but not significantly.
Oh, good. I thought, do I have to have some hair plugs put in?
No, I don't think you would.
Yay. Cool.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Can't feel anything.
Good. So are we. I bumped it a little bit, so just.
So you squeeze it out of there?
I'm gonna try.
Okay. Hope it behaves.
Yeah, so far so good.
Good.
How long have you had these?
You know, I had a bunch of them taken. I think I had like a total of 6 taken out, like maybe 15, 17 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
And they grew back, but I didn't realize that was there until recently. But the one on top of my head, probably 3 years. It grew back too.
Yeah.
From previously. I never thought I'd be laying here.
You have a
With
voice
you.
that is very much like, I'll keep it there. I can't think of who it is. It's an
Oh.
actress, I feel like.
Huh.
It's gonna hit me at some point.
Okay.
Probably when you're not here anymore.
Probably in the middle of the night.
Yes. Oh no, it's not an actress. You sound a lot like one of my dear patients, actually.
Oh, is that
You have the
right?
same kind of voice. I don't know what, she just has a very sing-song, like, she's a sweetheart. I love her.
Oh.
And you just sound, so when you speak, I'm like, oh, it's her.
How funny.
Okay, good. Sorry, a little squinchy noise. Let me just, what I'm gonna do here is now we're gonna get you in another position. So put
Okay.
your, lean back a little bit.
Back.
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing the top already?
Yep.
You finished the back?
I did.
Oh my
You were so well
gosh.
behaved.
Wow, you're
I don't
good.
want to get too excited because then I'll.
Okay.
And it came out like a little pearl.
I did?
It did.
Oh,
Yeah, but you
good.
cut through them on the table if you want to. See what's inside. Maybe you'll have a pearl in there.
Oh. Or a gold nugget.
Yeah, someday. Yeah, maybe golds are more precious than pearls these days. Huh?
I know.
Just a little pressure on you.
Do they shrink if you have them for a long time? I've read so many different
Not
things.
really. Sometimes when they get really big, they sort of liquefy.
Okay. Because I thought, gosh,
Yeah.
maybe.
Not as fun to remove.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, because they are in like pieces.
Oh,
Or liquid, you can't really see. It's not as satisfying when it's just like
Okay.
liquid.
I'm glad I have maybe just a pearl then.
Yes. You have like you had a macadamia nut in
A
there,
macadamia
actually.
nut,
Yes,
okay.
I'll show you. You have like 2 stitches on top. Did you come from kind of far?
I think Arrowhead.
Oh yeah, duh, God, my attention span. All right, and okay, so you can actually have somebody remove the stitches for you if you wish.
I don't know who. Well,
Yeah,
I
it might be
have
hard for
friends,
you.
but
A little
I
longer,
don't know.
just because.
You know
it's
what? I
busy.
come down here every week.
Okay, yeah, that's
to go
fine.
to a
then.
Nuka doctor.
I would say
so-
like 10 to 14 days.
Okay.
Be fine.
So, showering and shampooing.
You should be okay, but just be gentle.
Okay. I'm going to my twin granddaughter's grandparents' day show at school on Friday, and my daughter-in-law said, "Oh, you're probably gonna have to wear a hat."
Oh,
No, I don't think so.
I was gonna say, but not appropriate for this thing. But wear a low cut top, and no one's looking at the top of your head.
I don't have anything to
Yeah.
show.
Good, looks good. Do you
Oh,
want to reach up and
wow.
feel that? Feel this
Yes.
area here? I have the gauze over it.
Oh, it's gone. There's no love.
yes. Good. And the back one too is the same. Wait, let me see. I don't know if you can you gotta lean a little forward here.
Oh.
Okay, now you can feel it. I have gauze over here.
Oh my God.
Okay, so here's the first one.
Start. Okay.
Do you get your hair color? Because I feel like there might be some color
I
to
do
this.
get my hair
Sometimes
color.
it dyes the. I think it dyes the.
Oh, the
contents.
inside?
Yeah. See, it's a beautiful amber.
Oh my gosh.
It's just skin cells in there, wet skin cells all in there. See, it's like a olive
Wow.
consistency. The same thing. This one on the top of your head is a little lighter, it looks like.
Maybe from when I used to be blonder.
Yeah. I feel like they're like the coin purses that we had back in the day, the ones that you squeeze, like this.
Oh yeah, I remember
Shape,
those.
yeah.
Yeah, those little hard things.
Yeah. That's it.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. We'll send those in.
Thank you so much.
Not done popping? Check out this next video or check out my all access membership page to watch more videos.